Discover the multifunctional LEODY travel cot. It's a cot full of surprises and solutions that'll help you on a daily basis. The product is ideal not only for home, but also for traveling. With LEODY, everyday trips are much easier. All you need is a moment to fold or unfold the cot and enjoy it, wherever you currently are. My little one can't wait to be inside. My baby is lying down peacefully, while I have a moment to plan my trip, all while we're together. Being together on holidays is what we love best. We can relax and have fun whenever we like. And when we think it's time to make the most of our holiday and discover new places, we're off to the city. LEODY is perfect not only while traveling, but also at home. The cot is also available in a version with accessories. It's also an ideal solution for my second, younger son. The rocking frame makes falling asleep easier, while the wheels enable me to move the cot around. If my little one is inside, the wheels need to be locked. In LEODY, my darling feels safe and comfortable. Who wouldn't love these soothing melodies and gorgeous plush toys? But that's not all. If I want to change my baby, the changing table will come in handy. And the shelf is great for small items, such as nappies and wet wipes. With such support, we can play again in just one moment. The cot also has 2 base levels to choose from, so it helps me with both my older and younger child. With LEODY, everything seems so easy. Even stains disappear without a trace. This cot is perfect for both home and outdoors. And I'll be able to test it out on our next trip.
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.